Anthropic just created an AI so advanced. They're not releasing it publicly yet. It's already uncovering software bugs that even top security experts missed for decades. In one case, it detected a vulnerability in OpenBSD, an operating system famous for being extremely secure. And that flaw had been sitting there for 27 years. It also found a 16-year-old issue in FFmpeg, one of the most widely used video processing libraries in the world. Even after millions of automated tests, that bug went unnoticed. This model is called Claude Mythos, and it was introduced on April 7. Its capabilities reportedly go beyond most human experts when it comes to finding and exploiting software weaknesses. What's interesting is, it wasn't specifically trained for hacking. It was trained to be excellent at coding. And as a result, it naturally became highly skilled in cybersecurity. Right now, Anthropic's strongest public model is Opus 4.6. But Mythos significantly outperforms it. On SWE Bench, a benchmark that measures how well AI can fix real-world code issues, Opus scores about 80%. Mythos reaches nearly 94%. That's not a small improvement. That's a massive leap. On another benchmark called CyberGym, focused on security vulnerabilities, Opus scores in the mid-60s, while Mythos jumps past 80%. And this pattern repeats across nearly every benchmark tested. But beyond benchmarks, the real-world results are even more impressive. It identified a decades-old flaw in OpenBSD that could allow someone to remotely crash a system just by connecting to it. It also discovered a vulnerability in FFmpeg that could potentially let attackers run code on a machine simply by processing a malicious video file. Even more concerning, it was able to chain multiple weaknesses inside the Linux kernel, the core system powering most of the world's servers. This allowed escalation from a normal user to full system control. The model has already uncovered thousands of what are called zero-day vulnerabilities. These are bugs that no one else in the world knows about yet. Meaning, they could exist in software you use every day. So now, Anthropic has an AI that can find software flaws better than most security teams. But that also means, in the wrong hands, it could exploit those same weaknesses. Because of that risk, they've chosen not to release it publicly, at least for now. Instead, they launched something called Project Glasswing, a collaboration with over 40 major tech companies, including Amazon, Apple, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and more. These companies are using Mythos internally to scan their systems and fix vulnerabilities before attackers find them. Anthropic is backing this effort with $100 million in usage credits. And the model itself is priced at a premium, making it accessible only to select partners. To give you an idea of its impact, Nicholas Carlini, a leading security researcher at Anthropic, said he found more bugs in just a few weeks using Mythos than in the rest of his entire career combined. So even if this model never gets released publicly, why should you care? Because the software you already use, your phone, your browser, your apps, are about to become more secure. The vulnerabilities Mythos is finding are being patched right now. You might not notice anything, but one day you'll install an update, and behind it will be an AI that caught something humans missed for decades. At the same time, now that this level of AI capability is proven possible, other companies like OpenAI, Google, and xAI will likely build similar systems, and they may choose a different path, possibly even releasing them to the public. Of course, the idea of too powerful to release has been used before. So some of this could also be strategic positioning. But still, this changes the game. Let me know what you think. And if you want to stay updated on major AI breakthroughs, make sure to follow for more. Let me know in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.